With the Unlock 2.0 phase coming to an end on the 31st of July, a few days from now, the government is formulating a plan to further unlock the economy under what's being called Unlock 3.0, which begins from the 1st of August. Sources have told India Today that cinema halls are likely to open in this phase of unlocking, but with only 25% seating capacity. A formal order is likely to be issued after approval from the Information and Broadcast Ministry. Gyms may also open in this phase of the lockdown, but of course with restrictions in place. However, metro, rail and schools are likely to remain shut in this unlock phase as well. This comes as over 48,600 infections were reported in the country in the last 24 hours. And with this spike in cases, India's overall tally is nearing the 14 lakh mark. Well, with just 4 days, days left for Unlock 3.0 to kick in, movie hall owners expect a nod from the government to allow them to open their doors soon. Preparations are in full swing. India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal took a sneak peek inside a cinema hall, which has been shut for the last few months, to experience what those new norms could look like. Here's her report.
The mantra in the new world today is doing things in a contactless manner. I'm standing right outside the cinema hall and I swipe my ticket without getting in touch with the person who's standing here. The idea is to do things in a contactless manner, riskless manner and paperless manner. Now, as you can see, the thing which people will need to do once they enter the cinema hall, or rather before they enter the cinema hall, will be to scan their tickets. Everything will be contactless. There will be thermal screening done. This too would be done while maintaining a safe distance. Let me tell you, most of the halls will now give you a different experience. The movie-going experience will now completely change. People used to look at menus beforehand, but now the menu will be on your phone. As you can see, if you want to place an order, all you have to do is to scan this using your phone. The menu option will pop up on your phone. You can place your order. Also, you can make the payment. Everything will be contactless. The experience will completely change and they'll make sure that you stay riskless, contactless and corona-free. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Sanjeev Kumar.
It'll be a staggered opening and we are mentally prepared for that. It's not going to be that the entire nation will be up and running. But that's within our plans and we are hoping that about 25-30 odd percentage of our total number of screens could possibly get some sort of idea on when it'll open.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.